If you've ever felt that a single motor just isn't enough, then it's time to discover the incredible power and versatility of dual-motor folding e-bikes. In 2024, these bikes are making waves in the world of electric transportation, offering unmatched speed, torque, and off-road capability, all in a compact, foldable design. The VAKOLE CO20 Max stands out as a versatile powerhouse designed to conquer various terrains with ease. Equipped with two 750 watts motors, the VAKOLE CO20 Max delivers a combined torque of 85 Nm, making it an excellent choice for both city commuting and off-road adventures. The dual motors ensure that riders can easily navigate steep inclines and rough terrain without breaking a sweat. One of the key features of the CO20 Max is its full suspension system, which ensures that the bike remains in contact with the ground even on the most rugged trails. This shock absorption not only provides a smoother ride, but also enhances control and stability, making it ideal for tackling challenging environments like mountain trails or sandy beaches. The VAKOLE CO20 Max is also equipped with a Shimano 7-speed derailleur, offering multiple gear options to adapt to different terrains and riding conditions. Whether you need to climb steep hills or cruise on flat roads, the CO20 Max has you covered. Additionally, the bike's hydraulic disc brakes from KTT provide reliable stopping power, ensuring safety in all weather conditions. The 20 by 4.0-inch fat tires further enhance the bike's versatility, providing excellent grip and stability on diverse surfaces, including snow, sand, and rocky paths. The bike's battery range is another highlight, offering up to 75 miles on a single charge. And with a fast charger that takes just 5 hours to fully recharge the battery, the CO20 Max ensures that you spend more time riding and less time waiting. This combination of power, technology, and versatility makes the VAKOLE CO20 Max a top contender for anyone looking for a reliable dual-motor folding e-bike that can handle just about anything. For those who prioritize climbing power and speed, the HANEVEAR H100 is a dual-motor folding e-bike that delivers on both fronts. Equipped with two 750 watts brushless motors, the H100 offers a combined power that enables it to easily tackle slopes as steep as 35 degrees. With a top speed of over 30 miles per hour, this e-bike is designed for thrill seekers who want to experience the exhilaration of fast-paced rides while still enjoying the benefits of electric assistance. The H100's climbing capabilities are further enhanced by its full suspension frame, which distributes the weight evenly across the bike, preventing slippage and ensuring stability even when both motors are working at full capacity. The bike's 20 amp-hour Samsung lithium battery provides an impressive range, with the potential to cover 65+ miles in power-assisted mode and 40+ miles in electric-only mode. This makes the HANEVEAR H100 ideal for long-distance rides where you need reliable power over extended periods. The fast charging capability is another bonus, allowing you to fully charge the battery in just 4 to 5 hours. Safety is paramount with the HANEVEAR H100, which comes equipped with front and rear hydraulic disc brakes. These brakes provide superior stopping power, ensuring that you can safely navigate downhill slopes or make quick stops when needed. Hydraulic disc brakes are known for their reliability and low maintenance, making them a preferred choice for serious riders. Comfort is also a key focus of the H100, thanks to its full suspension system. The shock absorbers at the front fork and rear help to mitigate the impact of rough terrain, providing a smoother ride and reducing strain on the rider's body. This makes the H100 suitable for a wide range of road conditions, from steep inclines to uneven dirt paths. With a maximum weight capacity of 380 pounds, the HANEVEAR H100 is built to accommodate a wide range of riders, making it a versatile option for those looking for a robust and powerful folding e-bike. If long-range capability and all-wheel drive are what you're looking for, the Wallke H9 AWD should be at the top of your list. This dual-motor folding e-bike is equipped with a powerful 2,000 watts motor system, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 34 miles per hour. The all-wheel drive configuration provides superior traction and control, making it ideal for both on-road and off-road adventures. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring mountain trails, The H9 AWD offers the power and stability needed to handle any situation. One of the standout features of the Wallke H9 AWD is its 60 amp-hour battery, which offers an extraordinary range that lets you explore without worrying about running out of power. This massive battery capacity means you can embark on long-distance journeys, covering wide areas without the need for frequent recharges. Say goodbye to range anxiety and enjoy the freedom of extended rides, whether you're commuting or venturing into the wilderness. The H9 AWD is designed with stability and safety in mind. It features 20-inch lockable hydraulic suspension and dual rear shock absorbers, ensuring that the bike remains stable even on uneven terrain. The 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires add to the bike's stability, providing excellent grip and a smooth ride on various surfaces, including snow, sand, and gravel. For those who value high-tech features, the Wallke H9 AWD doesn't disappoint. It comes with a full-color smart screen that includes a USB port for charging your phone on the go. The screen also provides vital riding information, such as speed, battery level, and GPS navigation, all of which can be monitored via a mobile app. The anti-theft feature adds an extra layer of security, giving you peace of mind when you park your bike in public spaces. Safety is a top priority for the Wallke H9 AWD, and this is evident in the bike's integrated LED lights and high-performance hydraulic brakes. The LED lights ensure visibility in low-light conditions, while the hydraulic brakes, equipped with 4 pistons and larger 203mm rotors, provide reliable stopping power. Whether you're riding in traffic or on a secluded trail, the Wallke H9 AWD offers peace of mind with its advanced safety features. The TT-EBIKE dual-motor e-bike is a true powerhouse designed for those who demand maximum performance from their electric bikes. With two 1,500 watts brushless motors, this e-bike delivers an astounding 3,000 watts of power, making it one of the most powerful dual-motor folding e-bikes on the market. The TT-EBIKE is designed to handle the toughest terrains, from snowy landscapes to steep mountain trails, all while maintaining a high level of stability and control. The bike's dual-motor system allows it to reach speeds of up to 38 miles per hour, making it perfect for thrill seekers and those who need a fast, reliable mode of transportation. The TT-EBIKE is equipped with a 48 volts 23 amp-hour lithium battery that provides a long-lasting power supply for extended rides. In pedal assist mode, the bike can cover up to 70 miles on a single charge, while in dual motor mode, it can still manage an impressive 50 miles. The battery is removable, making it easy to charge and store, and it also features a key lock for added security. One of the standout features of the TT-EBIKE is its full suspension system, which includes a dual-shoulder front suspension fork and a rear shock absorber. This setup ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. The dual-disc brakes provide quick and reliable stopping power, enhancing the bike's safety features and giving riders confidence when navigating challenging conditions. The TT-EBIKE also comes with 26-inch wheels and 4-inch wide fat tires, offering excellent grip and stability on various surfaces. The Shimano 7-speed transmission system allows riders to adjust their speed and torque according to the terrain, making it easier to tackle different riding conditions. Whether you're cruising on highways, riding through snow, or exploring off-road trails, the TT-EBIKE dual motor is built to deliver exceptional performance and reliability. At the pinnacle of dual-motor folding e-bikes in 2024 is the LANKELEISI X3000 Max, a bike that combines power, technology, and versatility into a single package. The X3000 Max is equipped with two 1,000 watts brushless motors, providing a total power output of 2,000 watts. This impressive power allows the X3000 Max to tackle steep hills and rough terrain with ease, making it an ideal choice for riders who need a bike that can handle both urban environments and off-road adventures. The X3000 Max features a large 48 volts 20 amp-hour Samsung lithium battery, offering a range of up to 50 miles in electric mode and 80 miles in pedal-assisted mode. This extended range makes the X3000 Max perfect for long-distance rides, whether you're commuting or exploring new trails. The battery is also designed for durability with over 1,000 charge cycles, ensuring that it will last for years to come. One of the key features of the X3000 Max is its intelligent control system, which allows riders to switch between single and dual motor modes, depending on their needs. This flexibility ensures that you can conserve battery power when needed or unleash the full power of the bike for more challenging terrains. The bike's 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires provide excellent traction and stability, making it suitable for a wide range of riding conditions. The X3000 Max is also equipped with a dual suspension system, featuring an air shock absorber at the front and a hydraulic shock absorber at the rear. This setup ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. The bike's frame is made from high-strength aluminum alloy, making it both lightweight and durable, and it can support a maximum load of 350 pounds. The LANKELEISI X3000 Max also comes with advanced features such as a color LCD display, which provides real-time information on speed, battery life, and riding mode. The bike also includes a USB port for charging devices on the go, as well as an anti-theft alarm system for added security.